प्रधानमंत्री मोदी फिलहाल कुछ कह रहे हैं, सुनिए।
When you question, you get out of the box methods to solve problems. When you do that, you grow. Due to your effort, our nation grows. Our planet prospers. Friends, India's national education policy reflects these spirits. We are shifting from the burden of the school bag, which does not last beyond school, to the boon of learning, which helps for life. From simply memorizing to critical thinking. For years, the limitations of the system had an adverse effect on the lives of students. No longer. The national education policy reflects the aspirations of young India. It is not process-centric. It is people-centric and future-centric. Friends, among the most exciting things of the policy is the emphasis on interdisciplinary study. This concept has been gaining popularity, and rightly so. One size does not fit all. One subject does not define who you are. There are no limits to discovering something new. Human history has many examples of stalwarts who have accelerated in diverse areas, be it Aryabhatta, Leonardo da Vinci, Helen Keller, Gurudev Tagore. Now, we have done away with some traditional boundaries between arts, science, commerce. If someone is interested, they can learn maths and music together, or coding and chemistry together. This will ensure the focus is on what the student wants to learn, rather than what the student is expected to do by society. Interdisciplinary studies gives you control. In the process, it also makes you flexible. In the national education policy, flexibility has been given great importance. There are provisions for multiple entry and exits. No one-way streets for students. एक सांकड़ी गली नहीं होगी अब. The undergraduate experience can either be a 3 or 4 year journey. Student will enjoy the advantage of an academic bank of credit, which will store all the academic credits acquired. This can be transferred and counted in the final degree. Such flexibility was long needed in our education system. I am happy the national education policy has addressed these aspects. Friends, national education policy is big on access to education. Starting from primary education, in higher education, the aim is to increase gross enrollment ratio to 50% by 2035. Other efforts, be it gender inclusion, fund, special education zones, question for open and distance learning will also help. साथियों, हमारे संविधान के मुख्य शिल्पी, हमारे देश के महान शिक्षाविद डॉक्टर बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर कहते थे कि शिक्षा ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो सभी की पहुंच में हो, सभी के लिए सुलभ हो। ये शिक्षा नीति